In this lesson, we'll connect to our Linode virtual server using Terminal. First, log into your linode.com hosting account. We'll need to use the IP address to connect. Locate the IP address corresponding to the MyLinode server. Now open Terminal. Type in SSH and then your username, which is root. After the @ sign, type in your IP address, so that will definitely be different from mine. And press enter. Now you'll be prompted for your password. Enter the password you configured in your Linode control panel and press enter. If you've forgotten your password, view the lesson in this section titled Changing Root Password. If your login attempt was successful, you'll see a welcome message. And so you can also see that we're logged in as the root user.